Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your PayPal account to TikTok in a simple and easy way. If you want to receive your earnings from TikTok directly into your PayPal account, then this video is perfect for you. So make sure to watch till the end and follow each step carefully. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three lines option at the top right corner and tap on it. This will open the settings menu. Now, from the list of options, tap on Balance. This section shows your earnings and transaction details. After that, tap on Estimated Balance to view more details about your available funds. Next, look for the three dots option on the screen and tap on it. This will open the payout settings where you can manage how you want to receive your money. Here, you will see different payout methods available. Select PayPal as your preferred payout method. After selecting it, you will be asked to log in to your PayPal account and authorize TikTok to connect with it. Make sure you enter the correct details and complete the verification process if required. Once everything is done, your PayPal account will be successfully linked to your TikTok account. From now on, you can easily receive your earnings directly into your PayPal without any hassle. You can also choose a bank account if you prefer that instead. And that's it. That's how you can link your PayPal account to TikTok in just a few simple steps.